Assalamu alaikum. I have developed a program called Isolate Body for Siemens NX. For those who came from SolidWorks background knows how crucial this isolate command is, but there is no isolate command in Siemens NX. Therefore, I thought to develop a program called Isolate Body for Siemens NX. Now you can download the program files from my GitHub repository and place it into your desktop. Now extract the file, enter into this folder. Now copy this folder Siemens NX Isolate Body and paste it into your C drive. Now enter into this folder, copy the path to this folder. Now go to your NX installation directory, program files, Siemens NX. Now go to UGII folder. Now go to menus folder. Now open this custom dirs file with your notepad. Go to the end and paste the path. Now save it. Now close all of this. Now start your NX. Now open a part file containing multiple bodies. Now right click in this area and click customize. Go to the end of this list, click new item, click new user command. Now drag and drop this command or icon here. Now right click on this, give a name to this command, let's say isolate body. Now change the icon. Now right click it again and click edit action. Now click on browse. Now go to your C drive and go to this Siemens NX Isolate Body. Now click in this icon and select python files.py. Now select this isolate body. Now click OK. OK again and close this window. Here we have created an icon for our isolate body command. Let me now add a shortcut to this command. Right click here, click customize, click on keyboard, go to the end of this list. Here is my user command and here is this isolate body. Now press new shortcut key. Let me press I, assign it. Now close it. Close this window again. Now we will isolate a body. Let's say we want to isolate this body. So select it and click on this isolate body or press the shortcut key. Let me press the shortcut key. So here is the body being isolated. Now you can work on this body, and if you want to exit isolate, then press this isolate body command again or press this shortcut key. Let me press the shortcut key. So the body returned. This is how this command works. So you install these files and try it. If you find any problem, then let me know. Thank you.